on the People's Racing Columbiana Auto Parts. Sponsor number 443 and out back to 95. Into turn number 3, and they're going to hold on to it. On the bottom, Scott in the middle, and Barnes on the top. They're going to do it again. Now Eddie McLean comes in and cleans up the bottom lane, and he'll take over the 4 spot. Your race leader, Scott Liddell in the 19. Scott taking on to that 2nd spot. Eddie McLean up to 3rd. Up into that 3rd spot. Bill Scott dropping back. 95 of Michael Barnes going to move up to 4th now. The 19 of Liddell, your race leader. 2nd, Gilbert 3rd, Barnes 4th, Bill Scott and Tim Scott rounding out your field. McLean and Liddell. Good battle for 3rd between Gerber and Barnes. Into turn number 3. Final time off of turn number 4. Here comes McLean to the bottom. Not going to do it.